hello. Today we're going to be reviewing my fat cat, Venom. He has a big saggy tummy. His nemesis Spider will come sometime. Well, she's a pest. This is how he gets exercise. Venom. These are his organic cat treats. He loves them just as much as his temptations. Go get him. If you want to see his nemesis, Spider, I'll call her. Spider! Come here, Spider! Spider! Maybe later. Spider! Here she comes. This is his nemesis, Spider. Hello, Spider. These are my two cats, Spider and Venom. I also have chickens, turtles, and a tarantula. But I'm not going to review them. The turtles and the chickens live outside. The second turtle is really, really, really big. Spider doesn't eat these organic kitty treats. Spider. I'm sure she'll eventually eat them. Well, my next video is going to be reviewing a few figures I'm going to get from BotCon. Stay tuned.